Welcome back everybody to this week's video. Right now we have a piece of sycamore on the lathe and we are marking out for the mortise. And now we're marking out for the foot. Alright, we've got the camera in place and the lathe turned on. And we're going to start by turning using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. We'll start by taking the bottom off and flattening it down. And then we will start by doing a bit of shaping. And getting the shape of the bottom of the platter that we require. And there we go. Alright, we're going to work our way to the bottom now. And we are actually going to make the mortise. So we're going to start with the mid-size detailer. Switch to the number 1 hollower just to clean it all out. And now the mid-size rougher just to flatten everything off. And back to the detailer just so the mortise matches the angles of the claws on the top. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to do a bit of sanding now with some Pulling Spore abrasives. I believe this is the 400 grit. And there you go. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain. Some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Northside Custom Crafts if you're in the USA, and Axminster Tools if you're in the UK. There will be links in the description. Just buff it in until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There you go. Alright, some original Lustre from Hampshire Sheen. Gonna wipe it all over now. Well, we're going to start with the lathe on slow, make sure we get some nice even coverage. Okay, then we wait for the solvents to evaporate, and then we buff it in, building up that heat, being careful not to push too hard. You don't want to wipe off all of that wax that you've just put on. Just nice even pressure with your fingertips. And there you go. Alright, we're going to get to the top or the inside now. So first of all, we're going to face it off using the mid-size rougher. And as you can see, we're already on to the number one hollower. And here's the mid-size finisher just to take out any ridges. Checking the wall thickness there, the old hand calipers. Alright, once again, already done most of the sanding, so once again we're going to sand to 400 grit here. There we go. Bit of a wipe down with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. And finally some Hampshire Sheen finishing wet. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to share it your friends, share it your family, share your enemies if you like. There will be some pictures at the end for your viewing pleasure. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, and until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.